chairs from upstairs so we don't have to carry them down.
Yeah.
All the chairs from upstairs so we don't have to carry them.
Right there! Right fucking there is the reason why I love all you crazy motherfuckers! You motherfuckers are just as sick in the mind as I am! That's why we get along so well! I'll tell you what, everywhere I fucking go, every fucking state I wrestle in, I get nothing but love from all you fans. So, thank you. I fucking mean that shit. I know I say it a million times to you people, but thank you for being fucking crazy and motivating me to go out here and kill it.
Nick fucking Gage! Nick fucking Gage! Nick fucking Gage! Nick fucking Gage! Nick fucking Gage!
Ricky Stampede! Look at me. When me and that pussy do battle in the GCW ring, I'm gonna fucking murder him